What's up, tech fans? GadInsider here with huge Apple news. The iPhone 17 series launch date just leaked, and the base model's getting a chip upgrade. Let's dive into this iPhone revolution. 4 models, including a sleek iPhone 17 Air and a beefy A19 chip for the base model, plus 12GB RAM for the Pros. Ready for the scoop? Keep watching. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman dropped a bombshell. Apple's iPhone 17 series is set to launch between September 8th and 10th, 2025, with the keynote likely on September 9th or 10th, avoiding September 11th and Fridays. Expect pre-orders by September 12th and sales starting around September 19th. The lineup includes 4 models: iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Air, iPhone 17 Pro, and iPhone 17 Pro Max. The standard iPhone 17 and Pro will rock 6.3-inch displays. The Pro Max keeps its 6.9-inch screen, and the new iPhone 17 Air, replacing the Plus, boasts a 6.5-inch display. Big news! Analyst Jeff Hu says the base iPhone 17 will get the A19 chip, not the A18 as previously thought, matching the Air. The Pro and Pro Max will pack the A19 Pro chip. RAM's getting a boost too. 12GB LPDDR5X for the Pro model, 12GB LPDDR5 for the Air, but the base iPhone 17 sticks with 8GB. Posts on X are hyped, with users confirming the chip upgrade. This sets the stage for smoother multitasking and Apple Intelligence features. Why is this huge? The iPhone 17 series is shaking up the smartphone game with a thinner Air model, powerful A19 chip for the base, and 12GB RAM for the Pros. Apple's pushing performance and design to new heights, making these phones a must-have for tech lovers and creators. Hype for the iPhone 17? Drop a comment. Which model are you eyeing? Smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more tech scoops.